Have you ever looked at your life and thought, maybe I'm just not good enough? Maybe you failed an exam, lost a job, watched a business collapse, or seen your dreams slip through your fingers. If you've ever believed that your failures define who you are, then this video is for you. Here's the truth. You are not a failure. You are a person who has experienced failure, and those are two completely different things. Today, you'll discover why your setbacks don't define your future and how every challenge can become the foundation of your greatest comeback. Stay until the end because the final lesson could completely change the way you see yourself. Let's begin. Failure is something everyone experiences, but not everyone understands. Many people allow one mistake, one rejection, or one disappointment to become their identity. Instead of saying, I failed, they begin saying, I am a failure. That single change in language can change the direction of an entire life. The truth is that failure is an event. It is not who you are. Every successful person has failed countless times before achieving greatness. The difference is they refuse to let failure become their identity. Lesson 1. Failure is an event, not your identity. Imagine a child learning to walk. They fall over again and again. Yet no one calls that child a failure. Instead, we encourage them to get back up. Eventually, they learn to walk. Life works the same way. Every mistake teaches something valuable. Every setback offers a lesson. Every obstacle prepares you for something greater. Your failures are chapters in your story. They are not the title of your life. Never confuse a temporary setback with a permanent identity. Lesson 2. Your greatest lessons come from your hardest moments. Think about the strongest people you know. Most of them didn't become strong because life was easy. They became strong because life challenged them. Disappointment teaches patience. Rejection builds resilience. Failure develops wisdom. Hardship creates character. Without challenges, growth is impossible. Sometimes the greatest gift isn't success. It's the lesson hidden inside failure. The pain you're experiencing today may be preparing you for opportunities you cannot yet see. Lesson 3. Stop comparing your journey. One of the quickest ways to feel like a failure is to compare your life with someone else's. You see people celebrating promotions, buying homes, starting businesses, achieving goals. Meanwhile, you wonder why your life seems stuck. But remember this: you are watching their highlight reel while living your own behind-the-scenes journey. Everyone moves at a different pace. Success isn't a race. The only person you need to be better than is the person you were yesterday. Keep improving. Keep learning. Keep moving forward. Lesson 4. Every comeback begins with one decision. Your future changes the moment you decide not to quit. You don't need to have all the answers. You don't need perfect confidence. You simply need the courage to take the next step. Small actions create big transformations. One good decision today becomes a better habit tomorrow. Better habits become a better life. The comeback you're hoping for doesn't begin someday. It begins today. Lesson 5. Believe in yourself again. If you've been doubting yourself, hear this carefully. Your mistakes do not cancel your purpose. Your failures do not erase your potential. Your past does not determine your future. There is still greatness inside you. There are still dreams worth pursuing. There are still opportunities waiting ahead. The world doesn't need a perfect version of you. It needs the determined version of you. Believe again. Start again. Keep going. No matter what you've been through, no matter how many times you've fallen, no matter how many people doubted you, remember this truth. You are not a failure. You are someone who is learning, someone who is growing, someone who refuses to give up. Every setback has prepared you for a stronger comeback. Every challenge has made you wiser. Every difficult season has made you more resilient. So don't let one chapter convince you that your story is over. Stand up, believe again, take one more step, because your best days may still be ahead of you. If this video encouraged you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to The Rich Mindset, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss another inspiring video. Remember, you are not defined by your failures. You are defined by your courage to keep moving forward.